Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Daraja and we're at Nam Fashion Sample Room. Today I've got another product for you guys. This product, you're familiar with it because I've shown you one type before on my previous video. I'll link it up here and you can check out that video. And this one is this elastic double belt vest waist trainer. The one before was single belt, but now I've brought you the double belt one. This also has the same features, the same everything as the one before, but let me highlight a little more for you guys. So this is an OK fabric and neoprene waist trainer. The outside, every part is OK fabric. So you can stick this belt, the Velcro, to any part of the waist trainer. And the main fabric is a neoprene. So the neoprene is going to help you sweat. It's a fabric that makes you sweat a lot. So when you move around, when you exercise or do chores around the house, if you wear this, you're going to be sweating 3 times more than if you were not wearing it. And another thing is this 9 flexible steel bones. This waist trainer has 9 flexible steel bones, as you can see, for back support and for making the waist trainer durable. All right, as you can see, they're really flexible. And also we have this YKK zipper. And can you see YKK zipper? This zipper is the most strongest zipper worldwide. We import it from Japan because it's one of the strongest, and we all know we're going to struggle while putting on a waist trainer, so it has to be strong or else it's going to break or bend and you're not going to use the waist trainer anymore. So we try to provide you guys high quality materials, okay? And another thing about is this laser bag for your logo printing, and this elastic double belt. As you can see, it's really elastic, and this has 2 belts. Imagine the back supports. This belt, it starts as 2 belts and comes to the front and ends up being 1. So this has 2 belts, so it means it has 4 layers. So imagine the back support it gives you. It's going to really support you and really cinch you so that you get that curvy, snatched look, okay? So the belt, as you saw, is elastic. It's a breathable one. You can see the holes, it has breathable holes. And another thing about it is it's a vest. So it's going to help you cover your back fat as well as your belly fat. So it's a 2-in-1 waist trainer, okay? And this waist trainer also has 7 colors. Like the one before, it has red, purple, pink, orange, yellow, blue, and black. So it can come with 7 colors, but if you have any design or any color you want, you just let us know. We're going to provide it for you guys. So let me wear it and we're going to have a quick look. So this is the waist trainer. I'm sure you noticed how much waist size I lost. Look at it. Look how curvy it made me look. So that's the benefit of having this elastic belt. Even on the single belt, you can see how much curve it gave me. But now it's double belt, so it gives me more curvy look, better than the single one. Because the more belt a waist trainer has, the more it's going to hold you and the more back support it gives you. You can see even for the back, it really supports me. So this is really amazing. The back supports, the curvy look, and especially if you want to exercise, this is the best one, trust me. That's pretty much it about this waist trainer. You can check it out on our website or you can DM us on our Instagram page. I'll leave both of them down below. If you have any questions, if you're interested in any products and anything, you can leave a comment or send us a DM on the Instagram or on the website, okay? So I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.